Hi, my name is Brandon Roberts, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of my building from Leonard. This is the Highrock. I purchased this building back in September, roughly, and I had looked for some time trying to find a potting shed that did not look like just a typical barn. I wanted something that had the look of just kind of like a rustic shed, and I was thrilled whenever I found this one at our local Leonard dealer. This particular one, like I said, I got it last fall. This spring I have put in all of the stonework and the grass ramp, and I've been working on the planter boxes and the landscaping that is here with it. But with what I've done here, the block, all of it is from Lowe's. It's about a pallet's worth. The color is called Allegheny. I just watered some plants and things around it, so it's a little dark right now, but it's just a really light colored stone. You can kind of see it in the background. It's just a natural look around that tree there. But whenever I had them bring this in, there was such a slope here where I wanted it placed. It really elevated the building up a great deal. And I knew that I did not want to do a wooden ramp. This particular model did come with wooden ramps that hook under the doors, which was great, but for what I was wanting to use it for, the ramps were not ideal for my situation, so I really wanted this grass ramp to go up into it. I just thought it had a really nice kind of old world charm to it, so that's where I came up with the idea with doing the stacked block, and had a load of topsoil brought in, dumped in front of it, and then it was just a matter of stacking and getting the grass seed to come up. But all of this has been done this spring as far as the landscaping and all. I think the planter boxes did wonders for the look of it. Picked those up at a garage sale for $5 and then filled it with not $5 worth of plants. But I'm really looking forward to seeing how this takes off once the plants mature. Off to the right hand side is a snowball bush, so that'll get quite large in the coming years. In the corners have got little limelight hydrangeas, so those will stay manageable. Definitely fill in the corners of that. And in the front I have baby gem boxwoods, and those do really well as far as keeping their spherical shape naturally on their own, so they don't need a whole lot of trimming. So I'm really looking forward to how that's going to turn out. Still have some work I want to do around it, and I still need to do a little bit of landscaping along this left hand side of the building. I do have a little starting with a tree there, so give it some time and it'll be trimmed into more of a topiary shape. But this is what I have on the outside so far. I do have some plans on the interior that I've not had an opportunity to start on yet, and that is what the next project is going to be. Pegboard, painting, the whole 9 yards on that. So this is my tour. If you'd like, you are more than welcome to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Brandon Lark Roberts. It's all one word. Middle word is Lark, L-A-R-K.